The United States is confident that the Russian Kh-47 Kinzhal hypersonic ballistic missile was shot down with the help of the Patriot air defense system. CNN reports referring to a source familiar with the matter. It is noted that while the Patriot system has been successful in countering ballistic missiles, its ability to stop air-launched hypersonic missiles was purely theoretical. The Ukrainian Air Force's intercept has now provided a real-world demonstration of that capability. Also, CNN sources emphasize that Ukraine's intercept has been viewed within the Pentagon as a major development, because earlier Putin publicly stated that the Ka-47 was capable of overcoming all existing air defense systems. Before the Ukrainian military shot down the missile, Russia had expected that by using a hypersonic ballistic missile, they would assuredly hit the target. This intercept put the Russian calculus in question, the CNN source says. It is also emphasized that the production of hypersonic ballistic missiles was difficult for the Russian Federation, and sanctions added even more problems. The interception of the Kh-47 Kinzhal was reportedly carried out by a Ukrainian crew that was trained in Oklahoma. The fact that the intercept was conducted by a Ukrainian military without having U.S. advisors on the battlefield is even more of a feather in the cap for the Pentagon. The U.S. Department of Defense called it a major return on investment. On May 6th, Lieutenant General Mykola Oleshchuk, commander of the Ukrainian Air Force, confirmed that on the night of May 4th, a Russian Kh-47 Kinzhal hypersonic ballistic missile was shot down with the help of the Patriot system. Kh-47M2. Kinzhal is a Russian hypersonic aviation missile. The Kinzhal missile is similar to the Iskander short-range ballistic missiles in terms of dimensions and appearance. The maximum speed of the missile is 10 Mach. MiG-31K is capable of carrying one such missile and hitting targets at a distance of up to 1,200 miles. We have reported that Russia is evacuating residents from the south. The reason is unknown for now. It could be in preparation for Ukrainian counteroffensive or something else. This is temporarily occupied Tokmak in Zaporizhia region. Pack your bags, you're leaving! Russia announced forced evacuation of residents. Ukrainian FPV kamikaze drone hit Russian tank T-72. Journalists from Radio Svoboda pretended to want to sign up for Wagner PMC. They were openly told that the survival rate for Wagner's mercenaries in Ukraine is very low.
Украинскую премию будут тратить родственники, а африканскую будешь тратить сам. Ну, такой самый веский аргумент.
То есть там, короче, выживаемость совсем, ну так...
Понимание есть, да?
Я понял.
Kiev last night. 35 of 35 Russian drones were shot down. 30 of them targeted Kiev. The amazing Poland has transferred 10 MiG-29 fighter jets to Ukraine. Huge Ukrainian column, which consists of NATO weapons, was spotted near the small Ukrainian city of Nenetsk. The following 6 regions in Russia are on the verge of bankruptcy, with essentially zero in their bank accounts: Republic of Tuva, Kalmykia, Buryatia, Karelia, Murmansk, and Chukotka Autonomous District. Russian propagandists discuss that technology is aimed to obscure reality and displace reality with an iconic image. This is the exact job description of anyone working on these propaganda shows, isn't it?
Вот когда ты говоришь, не важно, что происходит на Земле, важно, что в телевизоре, не нужно воспринимать это как принципиальное утверждение. Точно будет сказать так. Вся технология построена на том, чтобы заместить реальность знаковым изображением. Заместить ее. Да? Ну, слова лишние. Неважно, знаком, да? Знак окрашен, несет содержание, но он закрывает собой реально.
A mini battery of anti-aircraft guns operates in the Zaporozhye direction.
8 травня, 12:44. 252-й батальйон штурм. Увага! Батарея! 300! Залпом! 333!
Destruction of the Russian mortar crew somewhere in the Donetsk region.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.